Well, this weekend may be all about the snow and cold, but we are expecting warmer temperatures next week. Meteorologist Scott Munt has the details.
Heavy snow in Kettleland on Friday will be replaced with blizzard conditions on Saturday. Temperatures will also fall to the single digits above and below zero for highs, which means we'll have a dangerously cold wind chill throughout the weekend. But we do have some hope in sight. Warmer temperatures will move into Kettleland next week. But because cold air is slow to move, expect a slow transition to get the temperatures closer to average. Average highs are now slowly going up. The 10-day temperature trend for Sioux Falls suggests the numbers will be closer to average the closer we get to next weekend. Now that we have a fresh blanket of snow on the ground, it will further insulate the cold. It may be a while before we hit 30 again in Sioux Falls. Remember to use caution when spending time outdoors in the frigid air this weekend. For Kettleland weather, I'm meteorologist Scott Munt.